Okay, I'm back here. Yes. Okay, let's have a look what we're going to do now. I'm going to calibrate this one automatically, not with a dead zone. We'll remove the dead zone now. We're going to put an EMA, which is a moving average, or actually exponentially moving average, which is usually a found that is being used often in currency trading with a stochastic. But in this case, it works well with calibrating a joystick. So let's have a look now. It's running smooth. I have uploaded I've uploaded the sketch. Everything is the same as before, but now we're using moving average. Obviously, it's smoothed the library, and yeah, I'm not going to change any number. So it's similar. This one works with the algorithm practically. It's a smoothing algorithm. That's what it does. So, and you can train it while you're moving. In this case, you can see here. You see there is a lot of noise still. There's a noise which is electrical. But actually, at the end, you could avoid all this problem. Just put in a condenser, maybe 20 or 30 microfarad condenser. I would avoid all this noise because, but let's have a look how it works. Okay, the best is to go around. It's making a center circle now. The other way is, let me see, it goes opposite. So turn it like this. Okay, it's more, okay, one way here. So the moving average, they're exponentially moving. Usually you can reassess itself on the currency, usually in the price of the price. It came back always to the price, original price. So say, for example, the US dollars to Australian dollars. And that it already reset itself eventually. This is quite using using the algorithm should eventually improve, which for some reason it does work a bit like it's a bit slow, but and you see I found this, well, it's not 100% on the dead center, but we can should be there when it's 0, 0, but it doesn't stay. Okay, this is another way, I think. Using the Y, it's up. So it's what it's doing is smoothing the noise. But don't think when you fly a drone, this is actually quite good. But we'll see. I think if you can spend a few minutes training it with algorithm, eventually find his own proper way. So that, the problem comes when you reset it, and then, it actually focuses on the pressure of this one. When you press this side, you actually he calculated. Okay, well, this is another way to automatically calibrate a joystick. So I mean, I put 2 ways. I could put another few more, but it's probably not interesting. In any case, I want to say thank you for listening to me. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, yeah, I can't debate that. Thank you. Have a good day. Ciao.